I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are enjoying your days and you are having a good time. So, let's start with our activities of this day. First, we are going to check the new keywords of this day. So, you have to repeat after me and pay attention to the meanings. The first word is actually. Actually means for real. Example, has anyone actually told her that? Afraid. Afraid means scared. Example, you are trembling. Are you afraid? Chaser. Chaser is a person who pursues. Example, the chaser caught us during the game. Classify. Classify means sort by class or kind. Example, classify the students by month of birth. Mustn't. Mustn't is something prohibited. Example, you mustn't use the cell phone during the class. Scary. Scary means frightening. Example, that movie was scary. So now we are going to check some grammar about must and mustn't. We are going to use must to talk about obligations and strong advices. Example, she must be in the bed because she has flu. Jack must brush his teeth before going to bed. Negative ideas, mustn't, and we are going to use mustn't to talk about prohibition. Example, Peter mustn't sleep during the class. You mustn't smoke. So now the first activity is to open your Uno ebook on pages 78 and 79. Let's answer them. Number 1. Circle T or F if you think each statement is true or false. Then read the text to check your answer. In the second exercise, you will listen to track Alexa's advice and write 3 sentences about the interview. In the bubble, you have to list 5 different phenomena caused by weather. Example, tsunami, tornadoes. In number 3, you have to listen again the track and you will classify the advices. If it is optional, don't have to, or obligatory, mustn't. In exercise number 4, you have to choose a phenomena, earthquake, fire, or drought, and you have to write the things that you don't have to do and you mustn't do. The second activity is to go to lyricstraining.com and choose your favorite song. You will complete it. I will explain you how to go there. First, you have to go to Google and write lyrics training. Then you have to tap the first option. After that, you will tap Buscar. Then you will write the name of your favorite song. After that, you will tap Quizás en otro momento. And finally, you have to complete the song. Remember that you have to take a picture when you finish the activity and upload it to the platform. The last activity is to go to Forum 6 and answer the following questions. Why did you choose that song? It was easy?
Yes.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good day.
I never made it,